Welcome. If you're tired of spam message requests cluttering your Instagram inbox, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to hide spam message requests on Instagram using your PC, following the latest update. This is a quick and easy process, so let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Instagram.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the main Instagram page, take a look at the left side menu. Here, you'll see several icons. Find the one labeled More. It usually looks like 3 horizontal lines or dots. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. Next, from the options that appear, select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can manage all your Instagram preferences and privacy controls. Now, on the Settings page, look for the section called Hidden Words. Click on it. This is where Instagram lets you filter out unwanted content and messages, making your experience much more pleasant. Inside the Hidden Words section, you'll see an option called Hide Message Requests. This is the feature that will help keep spam and unwanted messages out of your inbox. Simply toggle the switch to enable this setting. Once it's turned on, Instagram will automatically filter out messages that look like spam or contain offensive content, sending them to a hidden folder instead of your main message requests. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've now set up your Instagram account to hide spam message requests on your PC. You'll enjoy a much cleaner inbox and won't have to deal with annoying spam messages anymore. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips. Thanks for watching and enjoy your spam-free Instagram experience.